Wait. Oh my God. Hello everyone, this is Kuris Ventures, and for today's vlog, we're gonna do an unboxing. So our dining table arrived today, ayan. And we're gonna unbox it, guys. So as you can see, it's super big. Yeah. So it's an extendable table. So join us as we unbox our dining table. Kaka-hoover ko lang. Nice! I just hoovered and did lang paso. Ay. Baliktad. So as you can see, the tabletop is already connected here. So I think all we need to do is put the feet, the feet of this table. And yeah, we're unboxing it now as well. So let's see how easy it is to assemble this kind of table that we ordered online. We actually struggled assembling most of the furnitures that we bought. So hopefully this one won't be as complicated as the previous furnitures we had. And yeah, and this one is way too heavy, I think. Just the tabletop itself, I think, is so heavy. So I'm really hoping we won't suffer today. I think this is gonna be the easiest assembly we've done so far in this house. Oh my God, you don't do that. So, hindi siya pwedeng mabasag, guys, dahil medyo, ano siya, masakit. Masakit siya sa bulsa pag nabasag. Oh my God. So, that means mag-hoover na naman ako ulit today. Patagin lang. Ang bigat. Patagilid dapat natin muna siya, and then papatayuin natin.
Ano yung tagilid?
Yung pag-ano muna. Kaya ba natin ito?
Sobrang bigat eh.
Oh my God! Dito dapat din eh.
Oo nga dito ka. Wait.
Yun lang.
Sige.
Oh shit.
Wait lang, babe. Hindi ganyan hawakan mo dito kasi pag ano mo yan, pag nabagsak natin, finish na. Wait.
Oh my God!
Bigyan mo nga ng mga ano dyan, ng mga styrofoam dito. Yan.
Kaya? Sige. guys, first look ng ating dining table. Looking nice, looking nice. Ngayon, papatayuin muna natin. Kailangan mo natin isipon dito dahil
wait lang. Kaya ko na. Support kita ah. Hindi.
Kaya mo? Pwede ka dire ka pa mo tapos dira ka sa likod ng board. Ano ba rin yung mo yan, diba?
Kasulog mo ka magpapisa. Hindi ko pa. Hindi ko pagbuyan eh. Wait lang, wait lang.
Oh my God! Finally! Naitayo din! OMG!
Grabe oh! Ikaw mo rin grabe sa kabigat.
Oh my God, look at that! OMG! So, it's actually ceramic table, guys. Now for the reveal of the table. So, this is our table, guys. And we're gonna extend it. We're gonna figure out how we're gonna extend it. So,
Siya tinapon ko yung ano.
you need, oh, shucks. Okay, so this will be our extendable table, and this is how you extend it. Ta-da! More. Sige pa. Ayan. So it's actually, when it's smaller, it's for 4 person, and this one is for 6. So ayan, guys. So that's the table, and then baby, you can turn it back. Yeah, and then you can reverse it into a smaller one by turning it around. Ta-da! Oh yeah, it's so cool. So hopefully walang mabasag, okay? So ayan guys, that's our dining table. Ayan guys, so I hope you enjoyed our dining table unboxing. See you on my next vlog. Saranghae everyone! Ayan guys, so we just realized na merong cheap yung table or yung dining table.